Hey guys, so I'm about to make my usual fruit smoothies or smoothies, breakfast smoothie for the morning. I don't have any spinach today or any greens, but it's fine that I have all fruit because I have a problem with eating the correct amounts of fruit in a day. And this has been working for me. So yeah, let's get into it. Now, I'm not using any ice and my fruit is not frozen. However, if you prefer your drink to be icy or really cold, you could either freeze your fruit or you can use ice. I didn't want to water it down, so today I'm just going to have to do what I have to do and drink it. But I do have my glass in the freezer. I put my glass in the freezer. I have strawberries, mango, and banana, and I'm going to use some orange juice. I wanted to use fresh fruit. I just got these last night, as a matter of fact, from Walmart. So, yeah, I didn't freeze them. But it's all good. It's all good. When you have a goal, you have to do what you have to do, right? All right, I filled it up as much as I could. I still have some fruit back there. I'll probably blend it up right after. Then you put, not too much. Not too much. Probably a quarter cup of juice to a whole thing of, I'm using the Magic Bullet. And this is the big cup. Alright, you guys, so here's my frozen glass. It does make a little bit of a difference, I guess. But anyway, let me stop complaining. I complain too much. Ooh, look at that. Perfect serving. And I'm about to drink this and then handle my business for the day. Yep, so I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.